So what did T-Rex eat? Well, do we really know? Well, today we don't really know from the information we have. But there are a lot of stories out there. Most of the movies, Jurassic Park is one of them, most of them teach that the T-Rex, he was really fast on his feet. He was a hunter. He would jump on other animals and gobble them right up. Others say, no, this guy wasn't a hunter at all. The way he was built, he was probably slow on his feet, and if he got knocked over with those wimpy little arms, he was in danger of getting chewed up by other dinosaurs. They say he was probably a scavenger. In other words, he would eat things that were already dead. Others say, no, he was a plant eater. If you ever seen a cycad, cycads are kind of a tree-like thing, but they have fruits. Not really fruits, they're cones. Look very much like this, though. The best thing I can do is find this little plastic pineapple for you to look at. And how many of you guys have ever seen a real pineapple? Now, can you just take this thing and pick it up and eat it? No, this thing has pokies all over it, doesn't it, right? So how does your moms and dads prepare that pineapple for you to eat? They cut it up. With what? A knife. What if you don't have a sharp knife in your back pocket? What would make another good tool? A tooth, that's right. A sharp tooth would be just the right thing. So, some believe they ate plants. But do we really know what they ate, guys? No, we don't, okay? But we do know one thing. In the beginning, when Tyrannosaurus Rex was created in that Garden of Eden, what did he eat? He ate plants. It was after Adam and Eve sinned that he changed, if he changed at all. And we don't know. In fact, guys, maybe he was a little bit of all three. We have animals today like bears. Bears eat mostly plants, they eat mostly fruit, but once in a while they'll eat a little meat. They've actually been seen to hunt other animals down occasionally. They're also scavengers. They'll come right into your garbage and get food out of it if they get the chance, all right? So maybe T-Rex was a little bit of all three. But in the beginning, we know that he ate plants and only plants, according to the Bible.